Hello and welcome to the SAP Business One Extensibility e-learning introduction. My name is Trinidad Martinez and I'm part of the SAP Business One Solution Architects. The main objective of this short presentation is to give you an overview of the different topics covered by this e-learning. On the presented schema, you can see the different sections included and recommended order for this curriculum. In the upcoming slides, I will introduce each one of the topics. The first topic covered is the web technologies and standards. This section provides an overview for developers wanting to start developing web applications and add-ons for SAP Business One version for SAP HANA. Introduces the architectural style of web applications and explains standard concepts and technologies for web development that are widely used in SAP HANA development. The Introduction to SAP HANA and Extensibility session introduced the SAP HANA platform for SAP Business One add-on development and discuss the architectural options for tightly coupled and loosely coupled extensibility solutions based on SAP HANA. Follow this presentation to understand the different partner solutions implementations. The migration of SAP Business One add-ons to SAP HANA course describes the process for migrating an existing SAP Business One add-on from Microsoft SQL Server to SAP HANA version, and includes a discussion of the available tools and an introduction to the SQL syntax of SAP HANA. On the SAP HANA Extended Application Services section, you will learn how to create a SAP HANA app using the XS Classic approach. It covers an introduction to SAP HANA XS, tooling, and a demo showing how to develop your first HANA XS application using server-side JavaScript and OData. The introduction to the app framework for SAP Business One version for SAP HANA section shows the login service to log in to SAP Business One, the query service to retrieve data, how to use the predictive analysis services, the UI mashup that allows to interact with SAP Business One client from HTML-based XApp running inside SAP Business One client, and the single sign-on between SAP Business One client and your XApps. The SAP HANA Extended Application Services Introduction section is a prerequisite for this tutorial. SAP Business One Service Layer is the new Extensibility API for consuming SAP Business One data and services. Several videos, presentations, and exercises are provided for the Service Layer topic, so you can learn how to access the SAP Business One Service Layer. Please follow the videos in the proposed order to avoid missing knowledge presented in previous sections. SAP Web IDE is a powerful, extensible, web-based integrated development tool that simplifies end-to-end application development. This section introduces the features of SAP Web IDE for UX development, show you how to sign up for the SAP Cloud Platform trial account, and how to access the SAP Web IDE tool from the SAP Cloud Platform. This tool is introduced here before going over the UX topics like SAP UI5, Fiori, etc. You can come back to this section at any point when you want to start developing your own UX application, following the proposed demo exercises in upcoming sessions. The SAP UI5 section introduces you to SAP UI5 for UX development and shows you how to develop a SAP UI5 application to access the SAP Business One Service Layer. SAP Web IDE is the development tool used. Please follow the SAP Web IDE topics before starting the demo exercises proposed here. The SAP Fiori tutorial introduces SAP Fiori, explains SAP Fiori elements, and shows you how to create and deploy a SAP Fiori application using SAP Web IDE. It is recommended for this tutorial to follow the SAP Web IDE and SAP UI5 tutorials to better understand the basis. The Build.me tutorial shows you how to access and use the free build tool for fast prototyping and shows you how to generate your UX application from build prototypes. Several hands-on exercises are provided within this tutorial. The SAP Business One Extensibility e-learning curriculum focuses on SAP Business One extensibility topics and introduces several non-SAP Business One technologies and tools like SAP HANA Extended Services, SAP UI5, SAP Fiori, etc., that can be applied to the development of SAP Business One extensions. In order to complete your knowledge on the extra topics, We provide links to documentation and trainings on each specific presentation. On this slide, I would like to give you some very important links where to find more detailed information and also exchange with experts. The first one is the SAP community. We have a dedicated community to exchange with other experts on SAP Business One extensibility topics. Any question problem you may have while following the e-learning, please post it to the SAP Business One extensibility community. We will make sure you get help. The SAP community is not only dedicated to SAP Business One, and you can find any SAP topics discussed like SAP UI5, SAP Fiori, SAP Cloud Platform, and so on. The second link is OpenSAP. OpenSAP has become a very important source of online courses delivered for free by SAP. It counts currently a huge amount of courses on different SAP topics like SAP HANA Extended Services, SAP UI5, SAP Fiori, Build, and many more. Just go to OpenSAP and check all the available courses. The third link is the SAP HANA Academy. The SAP HANA Academy provides technical enablement, implementation, and adoption support for customers and partners with thousands of free SAP HANA tutorial videos. Just check them. With that, I just want to thank you for listening to this introduction session, and I wish you a very good journey on the SAP Business One Extensibility e-learning curriculum.